Which kind of brings us to our other part of our conversation. Obviously, next Thursday, we're going to let you gentlemen enjoy the holiday with family and friends, so we won't be talking to you. But Thanksgiving being a time of looking back and really giving thanks for all that we've had in the past year or so, I know the two of you are very thankful for the way this has all panned out as being the HELPcare Clinic.
Yes, and our things that we're thankful for are just innumerable and manifest. It's been so encouraging that God has brought us all the people we need right when we need it, has caused our growth at a rate that we could handle, and not too fast and not too slow, and just so many things that just are day after day after day causes for a thankful heart.
Yeah, we want to just highlight a few of them because, first of all, it starts with our founding members, because a year ago now, we didn't have, this building was a shell, and it wasn't until December 15th that we signed the lease, and it's because we had people signing up as founding members that gave us the confidence to be able to sign that lease. And then on February 1st, we opened with Colleen Olmstead as our office manager and my wife Lisa as our receptionist, and she was also rooming the patients, and then it was Dr. Dave and me. We didn't have any nurses. And then one of our first patients who came in was Pam Riley, and she kind of recognized that was a need that we had. We needed this. And now we have 6 part-time nurses who are also full-time moms. And so that includes Rebecca Gatzmeyer, Kathy Grabaugh, Hannah Blocky, Heather Klaus, and Erin Dornick. And, as Dr. Dave mentioned, we didn't put up any help wanted ads. We just, God kind of brought these people to us as we needed them. And so we feel just really grateful for that team.
And also our nurse practitioner that works with us, also came kind of surreptitiously by just word of mouth. And, she has been just a tremendous blessing to us as well.
I'm absolutely amazed at the whole, I love the concept that there are people that are not only willing to take this journey with you, but have stepped up and said, we want to be part of this and be a nurse or help you in some way and really get right in there and help bring this to everybody else.
Yeah, the other thing, Lori Reuter was one of our early patients. She joined us as a part-time receptionist. Pam Riley's husband, John's our facilities director. We give him a fancy title because we don't pay him that much. But then Lisa and I have 6 grown kids, and all of them or their spouses are part of the team in some way. And then as well as Dave's daughter, Madeline, so my daughter Rachel, my daughter-in-law Alexi, my daughter Rebecca, as I mentioned earlier, one of our nurses, Ruthie, Joe, and John, and his wife Bella. So, and then also several small businesses from the community have helped stepped up to provide membership for the employees. So I kind of want to sandwich, we talked about the founding members, and I want to talk to the other members. We got about 490 members altogether. And then the fact that we've got the Rochester clinic in the works, and we actually signed up our first member for that last week. And so we're, it's just astonishing as we look back and we say, well, a year ago, none of this existed. And what an amazing run it's been.
Absolutely. And unfortunately, out of time, I'll let you have the last word because it is Thanksgiving. Obviously, we're thankful for you, the two of you and everyone that works there in bringing this alternative here to Austin and being successful at it. But I'll let you have last word about Thanksgiving and thank everybody.
Yeah, well, thanks. We are just grateful to God for how He's called us together to be part of this, to develop this thing. And we would just encourage people to stop by and see for themselves, see what's happened here. And they can see us at 308 4th Avenue Northwest in Austin, which is just a block east of St. Augustine's. They can give us a call at 507-279-2345, or if they go to HELPcare.health, on the web. They can see some of the blog posts we put up, some of the educational materials, and also learn more about membership. But there's sort of no substitute for coming to see it for yourself.
Absolutely, and we're right out of time. But gentlemen, we wish you the very happiest and most blessed Thanksgiving. We appreciate your time each week.
Thank you very much. Bless you so much, John.
All right, we'll talk to you here in a couple of weeks. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sounds great.
Bye.